Example 3, find the coterminal angles. So two or more angles in a standard position with the same terminal side are called coterminal angles. So how do we find coterminal angles? So example, if we take an angle, for example 60 degrees, all we do, we add 360 degrees. So this would be 420. And we take the angle and we minus 360 degrees. So if we take away 360, we'll have 300. So these angles are called coterminal. So it means that they actually finish or they end in the same place. So let's have a look what that looks like. So we're going to label our axes and we're going to add in the degrees. So we have 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270. So the angle is going to start here. So 420. So 420 is 360, a full turn plus another 60 degrees. So our angle is going to start here. It's going to do a full turn and it's going to do another 60. So let's draw in that angle there. Okay, so this angle here, 60 degrees. So here, we have actually completed 420 degrees. So the second angle, 300. So 300 degrees. So we've got 270 plus another 30. So, and this is negative. So we're on negative. Okay, so we're going to have a look. So this in purple. So when it's negative, obviously we're going to go this way. So we're going to go around 270 plus another 30. So this is 30 degrees here. So this angle is minus 300 degrees. So example 3, find an angle with a positive measure and an angle with a negative measure that are coterminal with each angle. So we have 130. So what we need to do is add 360 and minus 360. So 130 plus 360 is 490. And 130 minus is going to be minus 230. So they are coterminal angles, but we just need to draw them to make sure. So y and x, and we'll label 0, 90, 180, 270. So our angle is going to start here. Draw that. Okay, so it's going to start off on the initial ray. Let's see what we need to do. So we got 490. So 490. So that's 360 plus another 130 degrees. And minus 230. That's going to be a full turn of minus 180. And then it's going to be another 50 degrees. So let's have a look. So 100 and we're going to go from here. We're going to do a full circle. 360, 90, and another 40. So we think about there. So I'm going to draw in this line. So this is 40 degrees that way. And let's label that 490. Now we're going to look at the negative angle. So we've got minus 230 degrees. So this is going to start here, and it's going to go 180 plus another 50. So this is 50 degrees here, this part. So as you can see, they both stop in the same place. So they're coterminal angles. Okay, so B, minus 200. So we're going to do the same. We're going to do minus 200 plus 360 and minus 200 minus 360. So 360 minus 200 is 160 degrees. And that is going to be a minus, plus, no, that's a plus. And this one is going to be 360, so that's going to be minus 560 degrees. So we need to check out these, let's draw and label. So 0, 90, 180 and 270. The initial ray is going to start here. And let's have a look. So we have minus, so we've got 160. So that's going to be 20 degrees short. So let's say we think it's about there. So 160 is going to go all the way around. So that's positive. 160 degrees is positive. So counterclockwise. And we think this angle here is 20 degrees. So let's have a look at the negative angle. So we have minus 560. So 560. So that's 360 plus another 104, 540 plus another 20 to make 560. So just have a look. So from here, we need to do a full turn. And we need to do a half a turn plus another 20. So we're actually coming to this line. So we've gone round, we've done a full 360 plus 180 plus the extra 20. They've both angles have stopped at this blue line, the coterminal point. So we can say that these angles, so we can say 160 and minus 560 are coterminal angles. And if we just checked minus 200, which is the original angle, so let's do that in green. So if we went round, so on the inside here, so this is 180 plus 20. So the green angle here is minus 200. So we can say that these are, with minus 200, they're all coterminal angles.